Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, it's going to be some gorgeous collections of lovely Kora silk cotton sarees, beautiful designs and colors, and really grand sarees. These are going to be. It's going to be a very easy maintenance saree. Simple hand wash will be enough for these kind of sarees. Some beautiful silver sarees and checks patterns and some grand designs we have in today's video. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the lovely sarees now. It's a very beautiful dark navy blue Kora silk cotton saree. Such a grand, lovely saree. On the bottom part, it's a big border. On the other side, it's a small border. And throughout the body, it's a beautiful checks pattern design with tilagam booties running along the body. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is this with lines. And the price of this saree is 1450. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful light red. It's more of an orangish red shade. Very, very beautiful combination. I'll show you. A big border on the bottom. On the other side, it's a smaller border. And the body is completely a beautiful design of checks and tilagam. Very, very rich grand saree. And the price of the saree is 1450. The next color in the same pattern is a green. Dark green. Beautiful combination. All the same pattern. So I'll just show you the colors. So this is how the saree looks. Such a grand and rich saree. And the pallus are so rich and grand. Very, very beautiful. Awesome the saree is. And the price of the saree is 1450. The next is a beautiful royal blue with a light purple color border in this. So this is how the saree looks. Lovely shade, beautiful combination. And the price of this saree is 1450. And the last in this design is going to be a very, very pretty pink or a light pink. It's a very pretty pink, more of a tomato pink. So this is how the saree looks. Lovely design, beautiful color. Looks so amazing, so grand. And the price of this saree is 1450. This is again a very, very beautiful Kora silk cotton saree in contrast combination. A light tomato pink with a black combination with a babanji big border on one side, on the other side small border. Throughout the body, it's a checks with small booties running along the body. Very, very pretty one. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu with a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1280. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful blue with a pink color combination. Such a wow, lovely combinations. Beautiful sarees. Looks really grand. So this is the body of the saree. Such lovely design and beautiful combination. And you have buttas running throughout the body. Very, very class piece. And the pallu of the saree is this in contrast with a contrast blouse. And the price of this saree is 1280. The next is going to be, this is more of a dark navy blue. Looks almost like black, but it's not black. It's more a dark navy blue. So this is how the saree looks. Such a wow combination. Beautiful saree with lovely checks and butta. Very, very pretty one. Lovely design. The next is going to be a very pretty green. Lovely green with pink combo. Beautiful green with pink combination. Lovely design. Very, very class piece. Lovely pattern. This also has zari checks with booties inside the saree. And the price of this saree is 1280. And the next is a nice royal blue with pink. You could see how beautiful the saree looks. Very, very rich saree. You can wear it for a function, for a marriage, for any pujas. Such lovely saree. So this is how the saree looks. And the price of this saree is 1280. This is such a beautiful borderless patterned Kora silk cotton saree with silver saree paisley leaf pattern design running throughout the body of the saree. So the saree looks really grand and rich. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. And the price of this saree is 1150. This is again a very beautiful Kora silk cotton saree, in that a silver tissue design. Both the sides we have a small length border, and throughout the body is a diamond pad design running along the motif, diamond motif in silver butta running along the body of the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. And this is the blouse of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1030. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful green, a very pretty green. This is neither a parrot green nor a peacock green, slightly in between shades. So this is how the saree looks. A very pretty saree, a beautiful saree, lovely pattern. And the price of this saree is 1030. The next combination is a pink with the silver zari. So the saree looks really rich and grand. All in the Kora silk cottons. A pink with silver zari. And the next is a very pretty light blue. A beautiful blue with silver zari. Looks really class and very pretty. So this is how the saree looks. Such a lovely pattern. And the price of this saree is 1030. This is a very beautiful coffee brown color Kora silk cotton saree with a small silver zari border on both the sides. So it makes the saree look simple and beautiful. And throughout the body we have silver zari motifs of circle motifs. It's really pretty. And this is the pallu of the saree, which is a grand pallu. And we have a beautiful blouse, jacquard blouse for this saree. So this is the blouse of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1020. In the same pattern we have some lovely color combination. I'll show you the other colors. This is such a lovely dark green with silver zari pattern. These sarees are all Kora silk cotton, so it will be slightly stiff, more like a pure silk cotton how it will be. It's a very pretty sarees, very lovely color, dark green. The next is going to be a light pink in the silver zari. Looks really pretty and class. Lovely shade, lovely pattern, beautiful color, light color, such a lovely shade. The next is going to be blue, peacock blue in the silver zari pattern. All these sarees are priced at 1020. எல்லா சாரியுமே 1020 தான். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும் இந்த sarees. ரொம்ப கிராண்டா ரிச்சா இருக்கும். ஒரு gifting கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு கூட பட்டு saree மாதிரி இருக்கும். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். The next is a Rani pink. Very pretty shocking Rani pink. Looks really class. Bright combination in the color sarees லாம். கட்டினா அவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கும். பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். The next is going to be magenta. Beautiful magenta. அவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த கலர்ஸ்லாம். அப்படியே அந்த சில்வர் ஜரிக்கும் அந்த டிசைனுக்கும் அப்படியே அல்லும் சூப்பரா இருக்கு. such a lovely shade. Beautiful color. எல்லாமே ரிச் பல்லு தான். ஸோ இல்லை கூட பல்லு காமிக்கிறேன். ரிச் பல்லு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். பிளவுஸும் இதில் வந்து டிசைன் பிளவுஸ். Price of the saree 1020. And the last in this is a very pretty navy blue with silver zari. Beautiful color combination, lovely design, beautiful pattern, nice pretty saree. And the price of this saree is 1020. This is such a beautiful Kora silk cotton saree in contrast pattern. Both the sides are contrast green with brown combination. Such a lovely different combination. And throughout the body we have motifs running along the body, some paisley motifs. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is this in contrast. And the price of this saree is 990. In the same pattern we have some lovely combination. This is a mango yellow with pink. What a stunning beautiful combination. அப்படி இருக்கு. அவ்வளோ ரிச்சா அவ்வளோ கிராண்டா இருக்கு. பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஷேட், such lovely shade, such beautiful color. The next is a pink with green. எல்லாமே stunning combinations, bright combination, beautiful combination. This is the body. Such lovely combination. And the next is black with a peacock green. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Black with a peacock green shade. Such lovely shade. Beautiful combination. And the price of the saree is $990. The next is a blue with a Ananda blue with pink combination again. Contrast borders. Lovely combos. Very pretty sarees. Some amazing இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு கலரும் அப்படியே ஸ்டன்னிங்கா இருக்கு. The next is a beautiful dark wine shade with blue combination. இந்த கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் வந்து அப்படி அவ்வளோ டிஃப்ரெண்டா அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. These sarees. Such lovely shades. And the next is a very pretty fenugreek color, வெந்தய கலர்ல black color border, different combination. நமக்கு pure silk cottonsல வரும். These are all more like Kuppadam silk cottons, Kora silk cottons. Very beautiful combinations. என்ன கிளாஸா இருக்குல்ல. This is the pallu and blouse உங்களுக்கு கான்ட்ராஸ்டா இருக்கு. Contrast blouse for these sarees. And the price of this saree is $990. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye.